Hello guys. Today we are not playing, we are going to talk about a lore in Animal Hospital, Anomaly. As those who played the game for a long time, you guys probably know who is this guy. This is Radthew. And he's one of the characters that have a lot of secrets and lore. So the game updated and I might have found a new lore. And as you can see, we are talking about this. When Ron, from accountant, comes to check in, we always see he has a suitcase written in it, top secret. And in when Radthew comes third time or fourth time, he says that the government is after him for knowing a secret he shouldn't. And also when we hide Radthew with us while Ron checking in, Ron says, "What is that rat doing here?" And Radthew simply says, "Chatting with a friend." That means Radthew and Ron were working in the same job. Because Ron recognized Radthew. And maybe Radthew got fired for knowing the secret. And I have evidence that the secret is an experiment. That's why the government is after him. And in the new update we knew that Radthew had a twin sister called Radina. And the whole picture shows that there's the same suitcase as Ron. And we don't forget that Dr. Harlow have the same suitcase too. And the suitcase must be the experiment tools. And in the note that have been left near the picture of Radina, the note says, "The experiment was success. The shadow now sees everything." And now we have evidence that the stalker is Radina. Because the note says that the shadow sees everything now, and the stalker hides in the shadows seeing everything. And they both look familiar. And Ron and the Dr. Harlow might be working in the company together, creating the anomalies that comes to check in. And maybe the whole hospital is built by the company of the experiments to do tests on the anomalies and the players, locking them in the hospital forever. All these evidences goes to one thing, that they do experiments on animals turning them into anomalies, and we now know that the stalker in the game is actually Radina who got experimented on.